today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, today's Bitcoin video is a very special one. You can see it in the title already. My Bitcoin trade, it is the biggest trade, the biggest profit trade on Bitcoin crypto ever shown publicly as far as I know. 10 million US dollars in profit. I entered this trade and I showed it to you here over the last 15 months regularly on the channel. I entered it at 17,000. Now, you can see it in the title. Closed this 10 million US dollar trade. Why? What is going to happen to Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? Why did I decide to do that, especially after? Ladies and gentlemen, I uploaded this video here 8 days ago. The biggest move ever is coming. I told you before it happened. Let's go in here. This is the 2-day candles. It happened exactly 3 hours after the video I just showed you. Bitcoin went up exactly and hit my price target I mentioned in this video. Check it, it's on this channel. Now the question is, dear ladies and gentlemen, what is the next move for Bitcoin and why did I take these drastic measurements? Before I go into the charts and I show you exactly what my thoughts are, when I show you this tweet here which I posted, Bitcoin and Ethereum trade, I took 1.8 million US dollars in profit. 7.5 million left. I posted that a few hours ago. I will show you, is there still something left in the trade? What am I doing? Why am I taking profits? And what, most importantly, do I expect for Bitcoin to happen right now in the immediate short term? First of all, one thing. I am the biggest bull in the universe. I opened this position trade very, very early. I announced it publicly the day I opened it, and people were laughing at me. They were spitting at me for being bullish on Bitcoin, for going into a big long-term trade just after the SBF and FTX collapse, right? Well, this is what the MMCrypto community is all about. And if you are not part yet, subscribe, press the bell and press on all, because I will keep you updated on what's going on in the crypto space and what am I doing with my million US dollar trades and what I am going to do right now with these millions of US dollars, right? So let's quickly go into the trade first, and then I will tell you exactly my predictions for this Bitcoin move we are seeing right now. Actually, let me go directly into the Bitget app, and you can see, yes, this trade, there is still something open. Bitcoin dumped down 8,000 US dollars after hitting my price target. I'm still $5.6 million in a trade, but you can see there is $1 million US in realized profit. And if you remember in the last video I showed you, there was accumulated like almost $700,000 in funding fees. So I took $1 million US in profits plus the funding fees of 700,000, 1.8 million US dollars in profit taken. Why? Well, before the halving, we are most likely going to see a very significant retracement, a last washout, of course, like we are usually seeing that. And right now we also saw the funding fees 10xing. So I think it is more likely than not that even if this is not it yet, but I think an 8,000 US dollar blow off top is quite significant already. We are going to go to a halt very soon if we are not in it already. And also we are going to wash out some weak heads. The very easy money was done within the last few days. And of course, I wanted to know also before I talk about my price target, do you want to be maybe I'm opening a new free channel or something where I'm updating you really in absolute real time, maybe even before I can do it on Twitter, just whenever a thought crosses my mind, when the price target crosses my mind, or when I'm just in the moment I am thinking about increasing or decreasing my trade. Should I open a separate maybe Telegram channel or so for that? Let me know down below, and maybe in the next video I might reveal it, or the ones afterwards, just for free, just for you as additional value. Now let's go into it. And yes, I am keeping something open, of course, because this is still like a bull market trade which I want to close when the funding fees are reaching 1% a day. But that doesn't mean I cannot outperform the market by taking some profits by macro highs and maybe going in cheaper once we are hitting the next support area. This is actually what I am looking forward to. And I think worst case for this dump down, we will most likely see a worst case somewhere around 50,000 or 45 to maximum 50,000. Somewhere here in this volume area, I suspect big support to come in. And I am not telling you we are going here into a bear market, just a significant retracement, right? That is all what it is. I am very bullish on Bitcoin, especially post-halving April 2024. And that is why I am keeping 6-7 million US dollars in profits still in that trade. That was it for today. Soon I will talk about some altcoins as well. And of course, I don't want you to forget that in the comment section you find, below the video, just below the video, click register deposit, can get a 30,000 US dollar in free bonuses on this exchange down below. Sign up, deposit bonus to trade Bitcoin, long or short, your decision, of course. I'm just here sharing my own journey. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for liking. I truly appreciate every single one of you. It's very special times. It's important not to FOMO, not to FUD, and that is what these videos are here about. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next level of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.